is Swag Llama 45, and I'm here with my friend
Hockey Llama.
Yep, he was on my hockey team, and I thought it would be cool because we're in this beautiful backyard. Look around. Lots of space, lots and lots of space. I thought we would do a little Nerf video, and instead of being first person, we have the cameraman right there. I'm gonna brother Llama, our cameraman. We're gonna get started. So cue the epic start. I'm trying to distract him to make him think he's playing around. But really, I'm gonna ambush him.
I don't know what the heck he is doing, but that is some stupid stuff.
Go back.
He's retreating. Move forward. Attack.
Oh! Retreat! Retreat more to the grass! Oh my God. You ready? Oh darn it, that didn't go very far. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. This is useless. Time. Okay, so he's in here, or I'm in this corner, he's over there. This is where the secondary comes in. I gotta go get my bullets. I'm running low. Oh crap.
I'm out. Oh God.
Secondary battle. Let's do this like sure. This is still not over, Jacob.
I told you it wasn't over.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this epic Nerf war,
Which I won.
which he won.
Yes.
But if you do like these videos, make sure to go check out my other videos. If you can't see it already, it's called Swag Llama 45. Llama is spelled with one L. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
But I haven't published that video.